Are you a budding artist on a budget? Looking for a drawing tablet that won't break the bank but still delivers top-notch performance? Look no further. In this video, we'll dive into the best budget drawing tablets on the market, comparing features, price, and overall value. So, grab your sketchbook and let's find the perfect tablet for your artistic journey. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Ugee M908. This is the best budget drawing tablet available for under $50. Though small, it delivers excellent responsiveness and solid build quality, making it ideal for beginners in digital art. In our Ugee M908 review, we found it modest in size and price, but it surprised us with its performance and usability. The included PH23 stylus is light, comfortable, and equipped with shortcut buttons for easier editing. It supports 16K levels of pressure sensitivity and a 60-degree tilt, providing impressive control for its low cost. The absence of wireless functionality is a slight drawback, but for the price, the Ugee M908 remains a fantastic value, especially for newcomers to digital drawing. Number 2. XP-PEN Deco MW. If you're willing to spend up to $100, the XP-PEN Deco MW is an excellent budget drawing tablet. It offers impressive features for the price, including a smooth matte surface and secure rubber grips, which make it comfortable and stable to draw on. The stylus provides 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and tilt support, offering precise control on the medium-sized surface. Our reviewer found the brush strokes and lines accurate, and the 8 customizable side buttons added convenience for shortcuts. Though we encountered occasional Bluetooth pairing issues requiring repairing, the tablet remained responsive and enjoyable for creating digital art. Overall, this is a solid option for those starting in digital art, offering great value for its price. Number 3. Xencelabs Pen Tablet, small. This is our top choice for the best budget drawing tablet under $150. It offers an impressive balance of price, features, and quality, making it an excellent alternative to the Wacom Intuos Pro S. While it lacks touchpad gesture support, it compensates with extras like 2 stylus pens and a travel case. The tablet comes with a standard 3-button stylus and a thinner pen resembling the Apple Pencil. Our reviewer appreciated the thinner pen for sketching and painting, and the thicker stylus for 3D work. Both pens have a soft touch feel, providing comfort during use. The tablet is easy to set up, ideal for beginners, and offers 8,192 pressure levels, 5,080 lines per inch resolution, and tilt sensitivity for accurate strokes. Though it has only 3 customizable buttons, the optional Xencelabs Quick Keys add-on offers expanded control. Number 4. XP Pen Artist Pro 16 Gen 2. This is our top choice for the best budget pen display under $400. This affordable model packs a lot of tech, offering a great balance between performance and price. While the 2K resolution may not match the detail of higher-end Wacom models, we were impressed by its color coverage and lighting tech. The standout feature is the 16K levels of pressure sensitivity, which made the stylus feel precise and responsive. Setup was straightforward, and creating art with this display felt smooth and enjoyable. A key advantage is the separate Quick Keys device, which allows for more customization and flexibility than having shortcuts on the tablet. The ergonomic design also includes fold-out feet for a comfortable 60-degree drawing angle, while the anti-glare surface allows work in direct sunlight. Number 5. Wacom One. This is an excellent budget-friendly option for those wanting a taste of Wacom's renowned quality without the high price tag. Although it's more affordable than Wacom's premium Cintiq range, it still offers that signature build quality, making it a pleasure to use for drawing and doodling. The screen isn't as bright or detailed as higher-end models, but the Wacom One delivers flexibility, working seamlessly with multiple styluses. While the included pen has just 4,096 pressure sensitivity levels and a single customizable button, it's perfectly adequate for beginners. However, professionals may want to upgrade the stylus over time. Though the display only covers 72% of the NTSC color gamut, we found that the viewing angles maintain decent color accuracy even when viewed from the side. Overall, the Wacom One is a solid entry-level drawing tablet. So, which is the best budget drawing tablet? After careful consideration, the winner is XP Pen Deco MW. It offers a great balance of features, affordability, and build quality. But remember, the best tablet for you depends on your specific needs and preferences. So experiment, find what works best, and keep creating amazing art.